the S&P and the NASDAQ. Well, they're all up about 10.5%, 11.5%, and 15% respectively year to date. Again, Dow up 10.5%, S&P up 11.5%, NASDAQ up about 15%. Gold, silver, and Bitcoin are mostly lower year to date when you look at the three together. Gold's up a little bit, but silver's down on the year, and of course Bitcoin's down as well. Oil, biggest winner, up over 90%. And here's another takeaway which is interesting. When you look at all the stocks in the S&P 500, only 65% of them are positive for the year. So even though we're just coming off of all-time highs, the stock market breadth, all right, that's the difference between highs and lows coming into the year, is not telling the same story that the overall market is telling us. So let's talk about the difference between the buy and hold trader and what it is we do as pattern traders. So what we do as pattern traders are a pattern trader is what? A rules-based trader that looks at rules and implements them with entry and exit techniques as well. What we've been doing in our year-to-date numbers look like this, all right? 90% test, 92% result. What does that mean? All right, I want to explain that because right now we're seeing a 25-2 record, which is a 92% win rate and over $5,188 in profits. Let's break that down so that you can all get an understanding of what it is I'm talking about here. All right, so again, this is a seasonal strategy. This is not buy and hold. Remember, we looked at August being on the yellow side of the market. That means we're seeing and when we get yellow on the screen, we see just as many bearish opportunities as we do bullish opportunities, so we can go in both directions. And September, this is a month of September you see here. I thought I would leak this out to you guys a couple weeks before we get into September, but September starts out the same way that August ends. We don't start to see green on September until we get past the halfway point, all right? So knowing that, what are we doing? We are going in and we are curating this list. We take from thousands of stocks, we're down to hundreds of stocks because we need liquid stocks, we need stocks that have data, and we need to be able to mine that data and find these patterns that are these anywhere from 30 to possibly 90-day patterns. And from there, find those ones that have the most bullishness or the most bearishness based on seasonality. So I like to say it this way. I go to a date, and from the month, I go to the day. From a specific day, I then will look at an opportunity list of stocks, and from those, I will vet out what I believe to be the best pattern based on what it has done over the last 10 years. Okay, so Stock Cycle Trader is it really is our most popular, all right, our most popular seasonal analysis piece. All right, we do it on stocks and ETFs. It's designed to, like I say, identify recurring seasonal patterns across those stocks and ETFs. We focus on historically favorable seasonal trading windows before they begin, and we deliver actionable recommendations with defined entry and exits. This is not buy and hold, right? So again, what do I need to make the cut? I need at least 10 years of market history. I need a pattern that's worked at least 9 of the last 10 years, and that's where we come up with that minimum historical success rate, okay? From there, that's where we're picking our trades. We've got these trades that are on that average of, say, 30 to 60 to 90 days. And how have we done this year? We've had 25 trades so far this year that have closed. We have open positions, but trades we have opened and closed in 2026, a 92% win rate on those closed stock picks. 23 winners, 2 losers, 92% on our stock picks that are seasonal. All right, some of our big winners, and I want to share those with you. Oracle, we had a 31% gain on the stock from the open to the close, from the entry to the exit on that pick. 19.5% on Sienna, 17% on Tapestry. Let's take that Oracle trade for a moment, and let's talk about what Oracle's done over the last 10 years. It's had about a 13% per year return for the buy and hold trader. During the seasonal pattern that we've taken earlier this year on Oracle, in 6 weeks, that 6-week pattern produced on average 31.72%. That is a 2.4x return when you look at Oracle's annualized return versus our 6-week return. I didn't annualize our 6-week return. I'm just showing you what the stock does in a year and what we can do with it in 6 weeks. That's a 2.4x return on this particular trade. All right. So for those of you who are new, how can you get involved in this? Because we do have a core group of members that have been with us for years with Stock Cycle Trader. This is just a couple of the testimonials are out there. We have tons of these, but I've got something I call the 915. I call it the 915 program. This is for those of you that are brand new with us, all right? What's the 915 program? The 915 program, I'm going to explain to you what that is here in just a moment, but I am going to put a link into the comments section. There's also a QR code just above my head that I'm going to be talking about too. So what is the 915 program? Well, this is everything you're going to get when you join today if you want to be part of Stock Cycle Trader. Right? We have a weekly debrief. This is something where I reveal top money counter patterns and developing opportunities. You get up to 5 patterns every Monday. Right? We also do weekly trades where I pick from that list and we'll find those trades like the ones that have produced a 92% return across those 25 positions we've closed so far year to date. Also, there's a 7-part cash course that comes with this, and this is on-demand trading sessions, and you can see exactly how I find, how I qualify, and how I trade these 90% historical money calendar patterns. We're also giving you a free subscription to Patterns and Profits and 3 exclusive special reports that I've created just for this particular special. Here you can see what I call practical pattern trading strategies, seasonal timing, and risk management across all 3 of these reports. Right? Also, this is something too that we're offering as part of this package, my money calendar scannable watch list. This is an app, if you want to call it that will show you how we dial down from thousands of stocks to the 354 that are on my watch list right now. 298 stocks, 56 ETFs and funds, and you have access to this unique application that will allow you to go through and scan and see exactly what I'm doing and what I'm using to create these trading opportunities. So everything that you see here, folks, all right? You have the money counter watch list. You have the debrief. You get the 7-part cash course. You get the 3 special reports. And of course, you're getting all of this along with my weekly trade opportunities as part of the 30-day money back guarantee, which means if for some reason it doesn't work for you, you just simply call our office or email our office and we'll give you a prompt money back return. So what is this 915 offer I keep talking about? Well, you can get all of this entire package. Your first month is just $9. After that, it is $15 a month. Right? This is one of the best the best packages that we've ever put out there. This is for all of our new traders. So we'd like you to take advantage of a fantastic special. First month, $9, then just $15 a month. So guys, you have just seen, all right, you have just seen my 2026 stock cycle trader record. 25 closed trades, 92% win rate. And you know what? It's incredible what the power of pattern recognition does. Now, I can't guarantee what's going to happen on the next trade. Nobody can. But it does show you why I'm so selective about the patterns I follow. And if you'd like me to do the work for you every week, then join me in Stock Cycle Trader. Like I've shown you before, I'll send you my weekly trade recommendations, entry and exit instructions. You get the weekly debrief. You get my 7-part cash course. You get these 3 special reports, complimentary access to Patterns and Profits. You also get my 2026 Money Calendar Watch List, which is a searchable database of the stocks and ETFs that are on my radar. You get to see what I'm tracking and how I plan to approach these opportunities. Now, we just launched a brand new introductory offer to those of you that are new, that want to be new members. So to join us, all you've got to do is click the button on the screen. You could click the QR code, or you could click the link that is in the comments and details section.